Hi idol, tingnan nyo ito ang video ni Kyrie, napakalakas nito. Tingnan nyo siya magpani.
Siya ang jungler ng Onyx ID. Ginamit niya si Fanny laban sa Geek Farm sa MPL Indonesia Season 13. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa iyo kung anong item at emblem ang gamit niya kay Fanny para sa kanyang full build. First item, Top Boots, Blade of Heptasis, Malefic Roar, Blade of Despair, Sea
Guys, ang
Halberd,
item
and
ni
Windtalker. Para
Kyrie
naman sa kanyang
sa
emblem,
Fanny.
gumagamit si Kyrie ng Assassin na may Thrill Master Assassin and Lethal Ignition. Narito ang highlights kung paano niya gamitin si Fanny sa MPL Indonesia Season 13 regular season.
Once he's in range, oh, there you go. Spatial migration, Valorant, everything in the kitchen sink. The whole kitchen. Astro Echo. To lock him down just a bit. Lutpi went in, flickers backwards, and now it's Kyrie to go for the execute. Misses for it.
Oh, Kyrie.
Interesting play from Kyrie. Whoa! Oh my God, one more shot. Kyrie, you are taking a gamble, man. Oh my God. Goes for the damage, but it's not going to be enough. Oh, and the Blaze is right at the bait, and Kyrie wins it up.
Ay, ano ba tong signal na to? Dito muna guys.